Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let us express our gratitude to Allah, the Almighty, who gives us unlimited blessings, joy, health, opportunity, and long life. So, on this occasion, we gather in this place. Secondly, salawat and the best regard are only the our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the brightness. May the end of the world, we will get the syafaat from him. Amin Allahumma amin. The Honorable Chairman of Dewan Perwakilan Rakyat Daerah Kabupaten Pacitan, respected President of Badan Eksekutif Mahasiswa STKIP PGRI Pacitan, respected Chairperson of Dewan Perwakilan Mahasiswa STKIP PGRI Pacitan, distinguished guests and fellow students. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dia Ayu Razeka Asmara Sahi, and it is a great honor for me to speak in this student discussion forum with the theme Bridging the Gap, Achieving Educational Equality for All, especially in the presence of such distinguished figures. Ladies and gentlemen, education is a human right in the world because equitable education is essential to unlocking individual potential, reducing poverty, and promoting social justice. Despite its importance, significant disparities between urban and rural areas hinders this equal access to education, including unequal resources, limited of qualified teachers, and socio-cultural pressures, particularly on rural girls. This speech will explore how addressing these gaps can unlock individual potential, reduce poverty, and promote social justice through education. Ladies and gentlemen, first, education is key to unlocking individual potential by providing essential skills like critical thinking and problem solving. However, this research gap between urban and rural areas hinders this potential. Urban students have better access to advanced learning tools and digital technology, while urban students often face technological barriers. World Bank studies shows that urban students are more likely to have access to computer and high-speed internet. Bridging this digital divide is crucial to ensure all students can realize their full potential. Ladies and gentlemen, moreover, equitable education is crucial to reducing poverty by providing better job opportunities and economic mobilities. However, rural students often face a shortage of qualified teachers, which hampers their education quality. According to UNESCO, almost 40% of rural schools globally lack of qualified teachers, which affects their ability to acquire necessary skills for well-paying jobs. Addressing this teacher shortage of qualified teachers is crucial to breaking the cycle of poverty and ensure that all students have equal opportunities to succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, promoting social justice through education requires addressing inequalities, particularly on rural communities where cultural and social pressures limit students, especially girls, from continuing their education. Norms or gender norms and traditional expectations limit girls from continuing their education and also opportunities for growth. According to UNESCO, up to 40% of girls on rural areas do not finish their primary school due to early marriages, family responsibility, and societal expectations, which contributes to gender inequalities. To achieve this social justice, we have to remove these barriers and ensure that all students, especially girls, can pursue education without discrimination and exclusions. In conclusions, education is a fundamental right to unlocking individual potential, reducing poverty, and promoting social justice. Yet, in rural areas often face significant challenges like limited resources, limited or shortage of qualified teachers, and cultural barriers. Bridging this urban-rural gap through equal access to tools, qualified teachers, and inclusive support, especially for girls, is crucial to making education to a true drivers of making progress and empowerment. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech about bridging the gap, achieving educational equality for all. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Let us use this power to bridging the gap and ensure every student has equal access to succeed. Thank you very much for your attention and sorry if there were mistakes during my speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.